know what? You finally made Broadway. Let it go, let it go.
Round 2 here at the Masters. Plus 47, we're looking for another good day. There we go.
The only thing I can say there, it has to get better from that shot.
So I just changed balls to a new outer limit.
Mike said the outer limits is going to be more rounded, it's going to be more continuous.
So it would make sense to move
That
a
it
little.
looks a little more.
Okay. Yeah, lined up, right where I want them. Right where I want them. No, they fall for me because I'm Parker Bohn's kid. So that means I know a guy in the back, which means the mechanic just knocks him down for me whenever I need a hit. Shot.
Close, but you're a pinch deep there. That was about 12, 13 at the arrows, and your ball probably went to about 8 down lane, but you didn't claw it, you made it past her. Does that make sense to you?
Awesome.
But does it make sense to you?
Sure.
I don't even care if you do it with your outer limits, that's up to you. But just try to make that same pass.
And it's fine on the right lane. In the left lane, never hook. Ever.
Starting at 10 is a good idea. Split the difference and go at 12 and see what it does.
On the left lane.
Okay? But hey, remember, even smooth.
Yeah.
Even smooth.
I'm gonna go 3 and 2. Hiya! That was really good too.
Yeah, it was slower.
Stay just like that. I don't have a problem if you play it like that. The problem is I want to minimize massive mistakes.
Well,
when you're bowling something that's challenging, you want to make sure that your misses are 8 or 9 in there together. I don't care if you stay there, commit to it, just make good passes and get a good ball read. But if your ball doesn't read it, you got to get out of there.
That's so much downline motion that could get forward.
Yeah, but he's trying to nail it too hard instead of just making a pass. If he makes a pass, it'll blend the lane out.
Brooklyn, 5, Brooklyn.
Okay. Take a deep breath. And don't fall. Just get through. Please. All right? Please. Come on.
Ready?
calling a hole.
You can do this. I know you can.
That's 3 breaks in 6 frames. I feel like I was way closer in the other area, but I still got 5.
Well, the last I checked it, triple's better than the hieroglyphics you were playing last game. That was good. Just get through it a pinch cleaner. That wasn't bad. That was good. Get through it a pinch cleaner.
This has got to be the best triple I've ever thrown in my life.
Mitch is a regional champ. These two
You know what? You finally made Broadway. Let it go, let it go.
There it is, right there. We've made Broadway. That's actually the title.
And if you're not dressed up in an Elsa costume on the picture, that would be very bad.
That literally hit like that ball. You got that? Yeah. You just missed the last one.
What was wrong with that one?
No, the one before that one. I almost 7-9. And I on a 6-pack. I almost 7-9. Yeah. Is that supposed to freeze there?
Still, yes. Yeah, because you're making a good clean cast right now.
I feel like the last pair was more like this, where this pair is like, it's like move left with your feet and move your eyes.
Yeah, because you play on top of package.
Yeah.
So I don't even know if there's a lefty on this pair. 200 to score.
That's what I'm saying. I just want 200.
200 to score.
But that thing's more than 200.
We need a double though.
I know. I get that.
We need a double.
Maybe a couple more, and I'm running out of here. I didn't realize it had shine on it. And then I thought I had a little surface.
It does.
What? 2,000? Nope.
I don't want to run them out too fast here. I might pull a muscle. Alright, it's very plain and simple. You have to use your legs when you're bowling. Right now, I absolutely feel like mush. I honestly do not want to use it as an excuse, and I am certainly not going to withdraw. So plug along, try to make good shots, and give yourself an opportunity for tomorrow, because tomorrow is a whole nother day.
Well, the worst that happens is you bowl 140. I mean, you already got 150, 160. I'm like, Dad, what are you doing? So I moved him on the gutter. But I'm telling you, if there was anybody that could bowl 300 the next 3 games, it would be him.
So you're calling him bowling 300 in the next 3 games.
I think he might bowl like a lot. Because he's on the gutter and he's lived on the gutter.
It can only get better.
Well, it can't get much worse. That's true.
Well, it could.
It could.
I'm going to get double before the day's out.
I like that idea.
I just threw the bad 5 for 213 points. I 7-9 to the 10th down there in the pocket for 160. Threw the bad 5 down there for 180. I threw the bad 5 for 210 in the last round.
I'm begging to get a strike. I've got another opportunity for my second double tonight. Sure. Did you really like that display of bowling? I personally did not.
I didn't either, watching it.
I gotta be honest.
It was so bad I didn't even watch it.
That was definitely one of my worst blocks that I can say or remember for a long, long time. Physically, I don't hurt at all, and I don't believe in withdrawing from a tournament. Hopefully, knock on wood, I'll feel better tomorrow. I'll be able to use these legs. Tonight, I didn't use them for anything. And anybody that knows when I'm giving lessons at home, you have to use your legs. They're your strength.
You know, it was
watch them.
It was so bad I was doing my homework while I was watching you bowl.
And you don't do a lot of homework.
Okay.
Anyway,
you're right.
I bowled one game over 200 today. It was 268, saved my day. Plus 14 on the day. We're sitting at 61 over.
You know what? Tomorrow we're gonna have a day. Tomorrow we're gonna have day 1 last year on day 3 this year. And you know, we're just gonna find a way to get at least 160 over and find a way to get to the number, because that's probably about what we're gonna need. We're at 62 under right now, and we bowled about the same score as yesterday, even though I felt like I bowled way better in the beginning and way worse to finish with 130 to finish.
I'm gonna try to get out of my own way. That would be the best thing.
That would be a good idea.
Well, y'all do that, and I'll stick to my thing, and that's gonna wrap it up for day 2 here at the USBC Masters. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a new video from us. And we'll see you tomorrow for day number 3.
Absolutely.
Peace.